Looking for the best LiFePO4 battery to power your RV, solar system, or off-grid setup? You're in the right place. We've rounded up the top 5 best LiFePO4 batteries that bring reliability, long life, and power efficiency to the table. Watch the entire list, and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in and find the perfect battery for you. Item number 5. This is a grade A 3.2 volt, 320 amp hour LiFePO4 prismatic battery from PWOD, designed for high-performance energy storage. With over 8,000 cycles and a lifespan of about 10 years, it's ideal for solar systems, RVs, EVs, and more. It features an aluminum shell, M6 terminals, low internal resistance, less than 0.3 mO, and supports voltages up to 108 volts. Charge safely at 3.65 volts and discharge down to 2.5 volts. Built to perform in extreme temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Item number 4. Introducing the small Den 3.2 volt, 320 amp hours and 340 amp hours LiFePO4 batteries. Built with grade A+ prismatic cells for high performance and long life. With up to 10,000 cycles, aluminum casing, and a wide temperature range, these are ideal for solar energy systems, RVs, EVs, and more. They support 12 volts to 64 volt setups and deliver powerful output with low internal resistance. Safe, reliable, and efficient, perfect for DIY energy storage or professional off-grid use. Item number 3. The PWOD 3.2 volt 320 amp hour LiFePO4 battery is a high-performance, prismatic cell built for long-lasting use. With over 8,000 cycles and a 10-year lifespan, it's ideal for RVs, solar systems, EVs, and more. It delivers stable power with low internal resistance, less than 0.25 milliohms, a compact aluminum body, and M6 screw terminals. Safe operation is ensured from -30 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Supporting systems from 12 volt to 108 volt. Reliable, efficient, and built to last. Perfect for modern energy storage needs. Item number 2. The CERN SS 48 volt, 200 amp hour LiFePO4 battery delivers reliable 10.24 kilowatt-hour energy with over 6,000 deep cycles and a 10-year warranty. Equipped with a smart 16S 200 amp BMS and CAN bus RS485 communication, it supports up to 32 units in parallel. Operating between -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, it features a durable design with dual M8 terminals and weighs 85 kilograms. Ideal for solar inverters. It protects your system from overcharging and overheating, ensuring long-lasting performance and safety. Item number 1. The Diankai Show 3.2 volt 320 amp hours LiFePO4 battery features an aluminum shell and delivers reliable power with a long cycle life of 8,000 cycles at 80% DOD. It supports up to 320 amp continuous discharge and charges safely at 3.65 volts. Designed for solar storage, electric vehicles, RVs, and backup systems, it operates efficiently between -30 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, lightweight at 5.5 kilograms and compact in size. It's perfect for DIY 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volt energy solutions. Which of these LiFePO4 battery is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.